Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salatu wasalam quotes in his Malfuzat that Sufis or Sufiya, they wrote in their writings that if a person does not cry or does not shed tear in fear of Allah once in 40-day time, then that person can die as a disbeliever. His death might come in the state of disbelief.
I think it's just an attempt to make people realize that they should weep sometime in the love of Allah. So it does mean that actually a person who can't weep in the love of Allah becomes a non-believer. Because Islam's language is very emphatic, and it speaks of people of very high order. So people who are lowly placed comparatively, they can't imagine to attain those heights. So Muslim Islam is talking of really great people. Moreover, I have noticed that during my sermons, if not every sermon, in 3 or 4 sermons time, people really weep, and I see them shedding tears and wiping their eyes, etc. So I see that fulfilled, and they really prove their belief in this sense, in this high expectation of Masih Maud alayhi salam. Now you particularly take note of this about yourself. During the next 40 days, I'm sure you will know yourself from your experience that you are a true believer.
Inshallah.